Hi, so far in our app, when we are loading the data, we are displaying the loading indicator, and when we have the data, we are displaying in the tiles. But what happens when something goes wrong and our app does not have the data? In that scenario, we simply want to display a message like data is not yet available. So let's handle this case. In current process component, we will show data is not yet available message in a box markup. Now our markup is showing up by default, so we will use vf directive to show the markup only when we are not loading the data, means loading variable is false and our current variable is empty. Now to test this, we can turn off our Wi-Fi and remove current variable from local storage and refresh the page. Great. We can see our message data is not yet available on the screen because we don't have the data. Now in historical prices component we will use similar markup and we will show data is not yet available message in the box markup as well, and we will use vf directive to show markup only when our historical variable is empty. Now to test this, we will open up historical prices page for Bitcoin and remove BTC variable from local storage and refresh the page. Great. Since we don't have historical data for BTC, we can see data is not yet available message on the screen.